So it's really important to do worm egg count, so we are reducing use of blanket treatment of wormers in farm animals. This will reduce the amount of resistance we're seeing, and it will also improve animal welfare by ensuring that animals that need to be wormed are wormed appropriately. We've had the Micron Kit a little over 10 months now. So we brought the Micron into practice to make it easier to perform worm egg count, to reduce subjectivity between users, and it's fast.
We decided to bring the Micron Kit into the practice because it's a very innovative way of doing worm egg counting, where we could control quality a lot easier, and it had very quick reporting.
We're turning out more egg counts, which is being really good for our clients, reducing wormers used and ensuring that animals are wormed when they need to be.
It's really good to be able to give the results to the client so quickly, both for the health and welfare of the animals, but also it's a lot more useful for the client, because often we're doing this in the grazing season and they've got the animals in order to get the FEC samples. So being able to give them those results really quickly so that they can act on those results quickly is really useful.
We get results back to the farmers within the same day of sample collection. We have our vet techs often running all the samples. It would be the vet that reports the results and suggests the most appropriate treatment.
We have situations every week really through the grazing season where we're doing fecal egg counts where farmers are quite worried, and then we do counts and work out that it's not worms that are the problem, and we can avoid treating, which saves them quite a bit of money. And also we've had situations where by getting farms to regularly worm egg count, we've been able to identify a worm issue a lot easier and a lot quicker, which means that we can treat them before it infects their productivity.
So when we initially got the Micron Kit in practice, we had a training day with someone from Micron that came out and went through how to do it. We did a few tutorials. We got given a booklet with really easy step-by-step guide. When we've got students in practice, they find it really easy to do it. I can sit and watch them do it, or even sometimes set them off to do it themselves. It's really handy to be able to allow other people and train other people to use it.
Resistance is a really growing issue for worming in cattle and particularly in sheep. It's something that we as an industry are very worried about. We're not discovering any new worming products, so the drugs we have are the drugs we're going to have to use going forwards in the future. So we need to protect those drugs so that when we really need them, they are going to work effectively and not have any resistance against them.